Mona's Kitchen. Today I'm making brown rice and beans baked using electric pressure cooker. But before I start, let me show you how to cook efficiently with electric pressure cooker. I always use pot in pot or stackable steaming pot methods to cook multiple recipes at once, and it is so much easier, funful, and makes my life a lot more easier. You will sure love the idea of cooking multiple recipes at once using electric pressure cooker. So now, once I have all these kinds of beans, lentils, grains ready for the whole week, I can just prepare the recipes quickly in no time. And today I decided to prepare brown rice and beans baked using some leftover ingredients. You can now use all these cooked beans, lentils, grains in salads, soup, depending on the weather. In summer, I mostly prepare salads. In winter, quick soup recipes. So you can just imagine how much time you can save in the kitchen. So let's begin. Take water into the inner pot. Place to it. And you can use any kind of a Pyrex bowl like this that can fit into your electric cooker, or you can use baking trays like this. So you can use the materials like Pyrex, aluminum, steel. And to prepare brown rice and beans bake, here I have taken two kinds of beans, black beans and refried beans. Black beans already boiled, and brown rice here, cheese, enchilada sauce, and here I have spring onion, jalapenos if desired. I'm using serrano. Into these two plates, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Spread all over. My first layer is going to be brown rice. And press slightly. And I'm going to do the same for the second bowl. Next, enchilada sauce. So I'm just going to pour enchilada sauce. The next layer, I'm going to add refried beans. Spread refried beans evenly as much as you can. Black beans. So basically just make layers of all the ingredients, and I'm not going to add all black beans here since I love to use black beans more than any other beans in my recipes. I just thought of using black beans as well, but you can just certainly use only refried beans or only black beans, however you like or you prefer. Awesome, looks already amazing. Here I have spring onion, which I'm just going to sprinkle, and then the final layer is going to be cheese. Sprinkle as much or as little as you want, but I am making cheesy brown rice baked. So I'm going to use a little bit more cheese here. And finally on top, I again drizzle a little bit of enchilada sauce. Just random, just to give that touch of color, and finally cover with foil. And the trays are ready to go into the, ready to place the trays inside the cooker. Cover the cooker and I'm going to bake for 15 minutes only because all the ingredients are cooked. I just want my cheese to be melted and all the ingredients should absorb all the flavors, and that's where it should taste like a baked brown rice beans casserole, kind of. Brown rice bake is done. Release the pressure manually, or you can let it release the pressure naturally. Open carefully. Carefully remove the trays. Ooh, look at that one, already open. Looks yummy. Top it up with some jalapenos or serranos. You can also use some guacamole or avocados on top. So you can see that brown rice and beans bake looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And also you can visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.